Wale ge yo pa lo sunu ba gbon. Ita de. To the teme ona na video go to. Ona e de mi ya de na. Wa be do ko tapa.
Tore ku ya record e kan ada bi kan.
Wa be ge.
Tore ku ya record e kan ada bi kan. Oh work is.
La ora wa record e kan. E go gbara ge ke. Iku wa.
Tode agwa yi ka o. Egwa de ase ami e mata wo. Ari mi e mata we kwa.
Oh, boy, you can't
Hello everyone, welcome to Naija Daughter TV show. Yes, so sit down, enjoy, okay? Watch it, wait I dey show you so. They happen for Edo State from Benin City, Nigeria.
This is the property belonging to Ilegun community that the Oba of Benin and his evil chiefs came to demolish. Look at the buildings. Look at the buildings they demolished. The Oba of Benin, the evil Oba of Benin, a stranger in Benin. Benin belongs to Ogiame, not Oba. Edo belongs to Ogiame, not Oba. Oba is a stranger in Benin. Is that Yoruba man, a stranger in Benin? Look at what he did. Him and his useless chief. A land that does not belong to him. Simply because he knows that the Nogi of Ilegun, His Royal Highness Sunday Enimayo Omoregi, is a grandson of the great Ogiame family. We are not Oba children. We belong to Ogiame. We belong to Ogiame. Look at what the Oba of Benin have done. Look at what he has done. The Oba of Benin, look at what people are lamenting. Look at people are lamenting. Look at what the Oba of Benin have done. People are lamenting. Look at what the useless Oba of Benin have done. Look at properties. The havoc done by the Oba of Benin. Look at what he has done. Look at what they have done. Look at what Oba of Benin have done. Look. This is what Oba of Benin have done in Ilegun community. After arresting the Enogie. This is madness, oppression in Benin. And he calls himself a monarch. Look at what he has done. Colliding with people. He calls himself a look at people. Look at people suffering. People are crying. Look at what the Oba of Benin have done. Look at what the Oba of Benin have done. Who calls himself a monarch in Benin? That stranger must go. Oba of Benin is a stranger. He said, look at what he has done. Desecrating our land. Look at what he has done. Demolishing houses. Demolishing houses.
It is so unfortunate. It is so unfortunate. Awe Oba atokpe. Wage no ba wage nyime ne ewa ogidi gan kpoge vanyi o wage ogwana na rufine arufe ne owewe otori yen no ana wa mo karapila ina do agworo wadere ya Edo wadere no sunua re wana rufine wadere no sunua.
Yes, about the video when I just watch finish. Now see they see and they say they demolish people house. They say now the Oba of Benin, yes, now he doing with the chips. Then the people of the Benin of the Edo, no, I don't fit talk put. I just see the video, then I need to paste them. Why I repaste this video? I beg our government, we get government for the country. If something they happen, no, now they try to put mouth. These houses when they demolish, so the people when they build down, nobody say they get the money now. You understand? It's not good that they will take demolish people house. If now the land, they drag person, no be person they drag land. Once person died, so they now 6 feet that they dig, they'll put person for inside. You know, people property and scattered. I don't believe say Oba of Benin, he get hand put. Now my own belief be that because but the people when the video they shout say Oba of Benin this, but not my mouth now for hearing. But those people when not see they understand Benin. Now what did they talk? They say now Oba of Benin and some that is some chiefs inside say they now. All of them gather to demolish people house. Say they even arrest the chiefs. The chief when get the community, they say they arrest them because they know say that one come from Ogiso say Oba of Benin no be, they are not supposed to be Oba. Say now Ogiso supposed to dey rule them. You understand? Me, I not really know, I not dey for anyone. But the only thing when pay me say, as they take scatter the people who demolish the people who now only that one pay me. I beg, I don't know what to talk. Those people when they lose these houses now, when they take build this house, God, they very, very touching. The money when they take build this house, if the people went demolition, I don't know whether na Oba or na the chips, because something, everything, when once you be leader, everything, they always put the blame on you. I believe, say, the Oba of Benin, he don't get hand put. Now, wait till I believe some of the chiefs. Thank you very much as you watch. See you now in my next video.